Hi guys, it's Dan here, and today we're going to be explaining what a lucky 15 bet is. So a lucky 15 bet is 15 bets rolled into one. These 15 bets consist of 4 single bets, 6 doubles, 4 trebles, and 1 fourfold. To place this bet, the customer must first choose 4 selections. For example, if this was for the horse racing, a customer might choose 4 separate horses to win their respective races. The rest is all explained with the help of this diagram. After your 4 selections are made, those 4 selections are separated into 4 single bets that stand alone from each other. The 6 doubles, however, consist of each unique pair from your 4 picks, separated into 6 different bets. For these, both bets need to win in order for that bet to come in. The trebles work similarly, but consist of the 4 unique trebles. Again, all 3 of the bets need to come in to win each bet. And then finally, you have your 1 fourfold, which requires all 4 bets to win together. So let's say you place £10 to win on each bet. You'd be betting a total of £150 due to there being 15 bets in total, hence lucky 15. In terms of the earnings for these bets, obviously the singles will have lower odds if they come in, but as you start to see doubles and trebles coming in, then your rewards will be greater due to those bets having higher odds. Oftentimes, if one or more of your bets come in, bookies will provide customers with bonuses or even potentially doubling the odds, meaning this betting type can be extremely profitable if your bets are successful. There are many other betting types that use a similar structure to this, and we'll make sure to cover these in other videos. Be sure to check out our channel if you're interested. We hope you found this video useful. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.